Hello, welcome to my channel. It's me, Coach Ahmad Riwayadi, your partner to learn English. This media is specially designed for those learning English in grade 12, senior high school. Our material today is reading comprehension discussion text. Through this material, we are going to discuss a recent controversial issue in our society: cell phone radiation. Safe or not? Discussing the passage, I have divided this video into two parts: vocabulary building in part 1 and reading comprehension, including question and answer, in part 2. Well, students, let's start the first part, vocabulary building. Well, students, this is the passage we are discussing now. The passage consists of 3 paragraphs, and while reading this passage, we can say that it is not easy to understand or to comprehend the ideas in these paragraphs, because there might be some new words or some technical words or some difficult words that we have to learn first. Well, there are 5 new words in the first paragraph that we are going to learn: radiation, emitted, regulated, wonder, and race. While in the second paragraph, there are 4 new words: peer, associated, onset, and content. In the last paragraph, there are 6 new words: site, damage, fertility, monitor, highlight, and carcinogens. Well, now let's discuss these words one by one. Well, students, let's start discussing the first word. The first word, radiation. Radiation is noun. Radiation means energy in the form of heat or light that is sent out as waves that you cannot see. Radiasi adalah kata benda, artinya energi dalam bentuk panas atau cahaya yang dipancarkan sebagai gelombang yang tidak bisa Anda lihat. For example, in a sentence, sensors detected a dangerous level of radiation. Sensor-sensor tersebut mendeteksi level radiasi yang berbahaya. The second word, emitted. Emitted. Verb 3. Kata kerja bentuk 3. Kata kerja bentuk satunya to emit. To emit means to send out gas, heat, light, sound, etc. Mengeluarkan gas, panas, cahaya, suara, dan sebagainya. Dalam suatu kalimat, the kettle emitted a shrill whistle. Kettle tersebut mengeluarkan suara yang keras. Next word, regulated. Regulated, verb 3. Kata kerja bentuk 3, artinya diatur. Dari bentuk 1, to regulate. To regulate means to control an activity, process, or industry officially by using rules. Mengendalikan suatu aktivitas, proses, atau industri secara resmi dengan menggunakan aturan-aturan. For example, in a sentence, the sale of alcohol is tightly regulated. Penjualan alkohol diatur secara ketat. The synonym of this word is control. Control. Word number 4, wonder. Wonder. Penasaran, ingin tahu. To wonder means to think about something that you are not sure about and try to guess what is true, what will happen, etc. Artinya, memikirkan sesuatu yang kita tidak yakin akan sesuatu tersebut, dan berusaha untuk menerka apa yang sebenarnya dan apa yang akan terjadi. For example, in the sentence, I wonder where Joe is now. Aku ingin tahu di mana Joe sekarang. The synonyms of these words can be speculate, question, want to know. Next word, risk. Risk. It is noun, risk. Resiko. Risk means the possibility that something bad, unpleasant, or dangerous may happen. Resiko artinya kemungkinan bahwa sesuatu yang buruk, tidak menyenangkan, atau berbahaya kemungkinan akan terjadi. For example, in the sentence, unsanitary conditions increase the risk of infection. Kondisi yang tidak sehat meningkatkan risiko infeksi. The synonyms of these words can be danger, hazard, danger, hazard. Next word, peer. Peer. It is noun, peer. Teman sejawat. Your peers are the people who are at the same age as you, or who have the same type of job, social class, etc. Teman sejawat adalah orang-orang yang memiliki usia sama dengan Anda, atau orang-orang yang memiliki kesamaan jenis pekerjaan atau kelas sosial. For example, in this sentence, Carlos is highly respected by his peers. Carlos sangat dihormati oleh rekan-rekan sejawatnya. The synonyms of this word are friend, colleague, cohort. Next word, associated. Associated. Verb 3. Dikaitkan, dihubungkan. To be associated means to be related to a particular subject, activity, etc. Associated artinya dikaitkan dengan hal tertentu, aktivitas tertentu, dan sebagainya. For example, in the sentence, poverty and crime are closely associated. Kemiskinan dan kejahatan sangat terkait. The synonyms of this word can be link, connected, related. Next word, onset. Onset, it is noun, artinya awal. Means the beginning of something, especially something bad. Awal dari sesuatu, khususnya sesuatu yang buruk. Atau dengan kata lain bisa diartikan gejala. For example, in this sentence, in some regions, June could be the onset of harsh dry season. Di kawasan tertentu, bulan Juni bisa jadi menjadi awal musim kemarau yang sangat dahsyat. Next word, content. Content, it is verb. To contend means to argue or state that something is true. Menyatakan. To argue or state that something is true. Menyatakan bahwa sesuatu itu benar. For example, in this sentence, the government contended that most of the refugees were fleeing poverty, not persecution. Pemerintah menyatakan bahwa sebagian besar pengungsi itu menghindari atau menjauhi kemiskinan, bukan persekusi. Words number 10. Cite. Cite. It is verb. artinya mengutip atau menyebutkan. To cite means to mention something as an example, especially one that supports, proves, or explain an idea or situation. Menyebutkan sesuatu sebagai contoh, khususnya sesuatu yang mendukung, membuktikan atau menjelaskan tentang suatu gagasan atau situasi. See this example. Several factors have been cited as the cause of the unrest. Beberapa faktor disebutkan sebagai penyebab penahanan. Next word, damage. Damage, it is noun. Damage, kerusakan, cedera. Damage means physical harm that is done to something or to some a part of someone's body so that it is broken or injured. Kerusakan fisik yang terjadi pada sesuatu atau pada bagian tubuh seseorang sehingga mengalami kerusakan atau cedera. See this example. The treatment can cause permanent kidney damage. Treatment tersebut bisa menyebabkan kerusakan ginjal secara permanen. The synonym of these words can be injury, injury, hurt, hurt. Word number 12, fertility. Fertility, it is noun, kesuburan. It means the ability of a person, animal, or plant to have babies, young animals, or seeds. Kemampuan seseorang untuk memiliki keturunan atau bayi. Kemampuan seekor binatang untuk memiliki anak. Atau kemampuan sebuah tumbuhan untuk memiliki biji atau buah. See the example. Utah has the highest fertility rate in the country. Utah memiliki angka kesuburan tertinggi di negara ini. Next word, monitor. Monitor, verb 3. Diawasi. To be monitored means to be carefully watched and thoroughly checked in order to see how it changes over a period of time. Dimonitor artinya diawasi secara hati-hati dan diperiksa secara menyeluruh atau secara seksama untuk mengetahui perubahan apa yang terjadi dalam kurun waktu tertentu. See the example. The temperature in this room is carefully monitored. Suhu di ruangan ini diawasi secara hati-hati. The synonym of this word can be observe, supervise, examine. Next word, highlight. Highlight, this verb. Highlight. To highlight means to make a problem or subject easy to notice so that people pay attention to it. Membuat suatu masalah atau suatu hal gampang untuk dilihat sehingga orang-orang memperhatikan hal itu. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, menyoroti. See the example. Your resume should highlight your skills and achievement. Daftar riwayat hidup Anda harus menunjukkan skill Anda dan prestasi Anda. The synonyms of this word can be stress, underline, emphasize, spotlight. The last word is carcinogen. 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 It is noun. Carcinogen is a substance that can cause cancer. Carcinogen adalah sesuatu zat yang dapat menyebabkan kanker. See this example. Carcinogens may increase the risk of cancer by altering cellular metabolism or damaging DNA directly in cells. Karsinogen bisa meningkatkan risiko terjadinya kanker dengan merubah metabolisme sel, atau merusak DNA secara langsung di dalam sel. Well, students, we have learned some new vocabularies, some new technical words. Remember, the stronger your vocabulary, the better your competence in reading and writing. So learn and learn again. Well, I guess it's quite sufficient for this section. Let's go to the next part 2, reading comprehensions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.